Did your mom restrict you from boys? I tried to use the tampon. Being single and having high sex urge, relationship problems with people you're not in relationships with. Women are taught that they should save their virginity. Hi guys, what's up? It's me Aarti. Welcome to a brand new video on this channel. And this is the first video that I'm shooting properly shooting. उस दिन live गई थी, but after we hit 25k, this is the first one that I'm shooting. And if you all missed that live, thank you so much, especially for those of you all जो मेरे साथ इस YouTube journey पे पहले से एकदम बिल्कुल जब मेरे 400, 500, 1000, 2000 subscribers थे. You have no idea what that early support means to a creator, you know, when you're just starting out. All the kind words, all the big comments, messages. Thank you so much for doing all of that and helping me reach till here. Now, also I'm planning to do the first ever giveaway on the channel. So वो मैं announce करने वाली हूँ बहुत जल्दी in a video. You'll have to give me time for that, okay? क्योंकि मुझे आराम से अच्छे से plan करना है. But if you're a regular viewer and if you have not yet subscribed, this is your cue. Subscribe, hit the bell ताकि जब मैं future में इसके बारे में और बात करूँ दूसरे videos पे you get notified. And now let's start answering your questions. क्योंकि तुम लड़कियों को बहुत बड़े सवाल रहते हैं जो तुम मुझे अपने मेरे Instagram DM से भेजते रहते हो. I was like, why not do another video and answer them here? Oh, also because I have quite a few questions. ये video थोड़ा लंबा हो सकता है, so go grab something to munch in no particular order. Let's begin. सबसे पहला सवाल है from Surashri Karekar और Karekar. I'm not sure. Hi Surashri. How would you describe your family or community's attitudes around sex? So I think my immediate family and even the extended family are pretty conservative about these topics. I come from a very basic middle class family. तो हमेशा से ही जब मैं when I was growing up in नागपुर तब भी these were taboo topics at my place. Like हम लोग घर पे कोई खुली like openly इसके बारे में बात नहीं करते थे. And even right now also people are not too open. They are conservative, but I have to give it to my parents. I feel they have really like grown and evolved over the years. With my mother, I keep telling her, giving her random information बीच में to open her up, and her reactions are hilarious. So कभी-कभी मम्मी को annoy करने के लिए भी मैं और मेरा भाई हम लोग ऐसे अपने explicit बातें करते हैं कुछ about our lives, or we talk about sex or sexuality openly with each other. तो me and my brother to discuss. So my mom has all these hilarious reactions which we then look at each other for because we're discussing to get that reaction from her. But yeah, with time they've definitely grown. It's still conservative overall. Next one is a question I got on Instagram. तुम में से काफी लोगों ने मुझे anonymous रखने को कहा है, so I'm not going to take those names. Does virginity matter? It matters if it matters to you. I feel ये सारे जो topics हैं ना, virginity, sex, having multiple sexual partners, masturbation, all these are such extremely personal topics. So हर इंसान के views इसके बारे में बहुत different और बहुत unique होते हैं, and to each their own. Nobody can impose their views on somebody. So what works for you in your life? If you want to, you know, get intimate with somebody, if you have somebody, if you're okay with having multiple partners, that's totally up to you. That's your decision, and you should go for it. And vice versa, if you're not into it, and if you feel like you are somebody who can only connect to a person after you've connected emotionally, and then you should go for it, then that's your call totally. बट एक चीज मुझे यहाँ पे बोलनी है, हमारी सबकी इन टॉपिक्स के बारे में जो कंडीशनिंग है ना, वो इतनी वाहियात हुई है बचपन से. सेक्स को लेकर, सेक्सुअलिटी को लेकर, all these things, masturbation, all these taboo topics, the way we have heard people talk about them एकदम hush hush manner में when we were kids, that's not great. और उसकी वजह से ना हमने बहुत ही idiotic notions बना लिए इन चीज़ों के बारे में. हमारा इनको देखने का perspective बहुत ही closed है, including me till a few years ago. The way I looked at these things or experienced them in my own life, there was a layer of shame or judgment to it because that's how we've grown up. And especially with women, this is what happens. Like women are taught that they should save their virginity for somebody, as if they don't have the right to feel pleasure and give their body the pleasure they require. So ये बहुत बड़ा टॉपिक है, बट ओवरऑल आई फील कि बचपन से हमने काफी वाहियात चीजें सीखी है. इसके बारे में अनलर्न करना भी बहुत जरूरी है, जो मैं अभी अनलर्न कर रही हूँ. कि जस्ट बिकॉज somebody has told you तुम्हारे बचपन में कि तुम you should save it for somebody, you don't do it because they've told you. You do or act according to what you believe in. And ये सारे information ना हमें available नहीं था, you know, as a teen when I was growing up in Nagpur or even later in my college years. Sex education के नाम पे zero है हमारे country में. इन चीज़ों के बारे में openly बातें नहीं होती है. And we did not have anybody giving us this kind of information or any positive influence about all these things in our life. इसलिए आजकल I feel so great कि social media पे इतने सारे लोग इतना openly बात कर रहे हैं इसके बारे में, क्योंकि this stops you from forming all these stupid notions about very natural things in your life like sex and self pleasure and masturbation. ये सारी चीजें बड़ी natural होनी चाहिए, but इनके बारे में इतनी whatever way में बात की जाती है, which is changing and which is great. Vedashri Agnihotri says, hey, I'll start my new academic year, that is 11th junior college. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you, Vedashri. That is the best. These few years are the best years of your life. Not like the rest of your life is going to be bad, but there's something so special about these, high school years, college years. Anyway, pretty excited and nervous. So my question is how to make friends wisely. Any tips for college as I'm a shy person? Love. How to make friends wisely? See, I don't want to give you too much gyan. This is your time to go out there, have fun, make your own mistakes and learn from them. तो इतना लोड मत लो उसके लिए, wisely and all. हम लोग एंड में अपने खुद के mistakes करके ही सीखते हैं. So yeah, and you're going to make tons of friends actually in these years. And of course then also fall apart from tons of them. But I don't want to come to that part now. But yeah, एक चीज मत करना जो मैंने भी की है. But खैर तुम करो भी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, उससे सीख जाओगे. But what I mean to say is, don't perform for people. Just stay as you are, and when you are exactly who you are, you will attract the right people. Don't try to become somebody to fit into a group, क्योंकि ये भी उस एज में बहुत होता है. But otherwise, yeah man, go out there, have fun. As a shy person, what I want to tell you is, okay, फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज या फर्स्ट डे ऑफ किसी नई यूनिवर्सिटी इंस्टीट्यूट, आई नो वो एक अंदर से एक वो नर्वस वाला फीलिंग होता है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू अ टोटली न्यू प्लेस, यू आर गोइंग टू नो नोबडी, एवरीबडी इज गोइंग टू बी न्यू देयर. बट एक चीज इफ यू रिमेंबर, आई थिंक दैट कुड हेल्प यू, दैट व्हेन यू आर एंटरिंग अ न्यू स्पेस एंड यू आर लाइक नर्वस अबाउट, oh, so many people, oh, I don't know them, what are they thinking about me, are they looking at me, are they judging me? Know in your mind that they're also thinking the same things. So you're in the same place, okay? So if you can just drop that tension there and just go out there and say the first hello, you just break the tension instead of being all awkward and weird. Okay, couple of questions about periods. Antama Dalal ka sawal hai, the font is so small, I need a chashma. Do you use menstrual cups? If yes, which brand would you recommend? There's a buzz around how sanitary napkins are not eco-friendly. Yes, they're not, and also they cause rashes at times. Please suggest. Another question also somebody asked. Yeah, Suhani asked, hello Aarti di. Hi Suhani, I am very fond of the way you talk and your confidence. Thank you so much. I want to ask you regarding periods, if a girl should use a pad or a menstrual cup or a tampon, which is more convenient to use. Okay, first of all, what should a girl use? Whatever she wants to use and whatever she feels comfortable in. Nobody can tell you or should tell you what you should do. So कोई हो सकता है जिनके लिए tampon ज़्यादा comfy हो, but अगर तुमने try किए और तुम्हें वो ठीक नहीं लगे तो then you don't need to do that. Talking about sanitary pads being not eco-friendly, that is correct. They have components or whatever materials they are made of are not biodegradable. इसीलिए मैंने अपने चैनल पे वीडियो भी किए थे 1-2 साल पहले that I've switched to the pads which are more eco-friendly. I have tried Plush, I have tried Kamezi. उसके अलावा भी काफी है. I have not tried them yet. About a tampon or a period cup, I am not comfortable with anything being up there inside me the whole time. I've said this before. It makes me feel weird. So I haven't used any ever before. Very recently, when one of my friends like sold it to me, she's like, "Dude, you have to. What are you doing? You're missing out on some comfort." I tried to use a tampon, but मेरे से हो ही नहीं पाया. I'm like, नहीं हो पाएगा भाई. This is not for us. About कौन से brand का period cup you can use, there are tons यार online. There's so many reviews you can go and check. मेरे पास Kamezi का पड़ा है because I did a video for Kamezi, so they had sent a box of a couple of things for me. So उसमें वो cup आया है. तब से मैं सोच रही हूँ इसको यूज करके देखना चाहिए. I even opened the cup and looked at the size and I was like, this can't go in there. I was like, not happening. So वो रख दिया मैंने वापस. अभी फिलहाल के लिए तो I'm not going to try it. Happy with my sanitary napkins. Next one is from Life Goes On 01 on Instagram. They've asked, did your mom restrict you from boys? Actually, never. It's pretty surprising that my mom has never really put these kind of restrictions on me. In fact, जब I had my first ever boyfriendish situation, जब मैं 11th standard में थी, अपने school में थी, I was in the situation and I went and told her, there's this guy in my class and we like each other and whatever. And she was like cool with it. And she asked me what happened and everything and she was all cool with it. And uske baad also, as I grew, as I went on from one relationship to another in my late teens, 20s, she's pretty much met all my boyfriends. So actually she's been a very cool mother, yeah. Not all my boyfriends. She's not met the last one. She's met the others and none of all of them. So yeah. Next one is by another anonymous person on Instagram. How to not be in a relationship with someone you are actually not in. I totally get you. This is what dating in 2022 is like. Relationship problems with people you're not in relationships with. So she's saying, I'm going through a rough phase in life and I'm getting attached to this guy friend of mine and want to end it. Attachment kaise todu? Attachment. Somebody asked me a similar question. Surashri ne likha tha, I recently had a breakup after 2 years of a relationship. I'm still not over this thing. I have feelings for him and I just keep thinking about his future and who will he choose, and then I break out and I can't focus on anything, and even friends are not interested to make me feel better. Any suggestion what I can do? So from my life, whenever I've realized that I am like my mind is so fully occupied with the thought of another person, what they're up to, what they're doing, who are they going to date, are they going to date me, why are they not giving me attention. You are mildly obsessed with another person. ऐसे obsessive thoughts होते हैं, तो ये एक किस्म का unhealthy attachment ही होता है. And we all go through that in life when we have had a certain kind of connection with somebody and that does not work out. ये चीजें होना normal है. But having this unhealthy kind of obsession with another person is your cue to move all the energy that you're putting onto them towards you. You know, it's difficult. I get it. I know you want to throw a tantrum because तब तुम्हें नहीं सुननी है सारी बातें. You are just focused on this person, stalking them, trying to find out what they're up to, all of that crap, emotional eating. But that is the time that you focus all the energy towards yourself. Start giving yourself all the attention that you're giving that person, how much ever difficult that is. Start making yourself happy. Take up new hobbies. Try new activities. Make a little bucket list of things that you've always wanted to do. Start doing them one by one. तो जब तुम ये सारी चीजें करते हो ना, what you are doing is you are making yourself your priority. You are taking the responsibility to take care of yourself, to make yourself happy. And जब तुम ये सारी चीजें करने लगते हो ना, I've noticed in time वो attachment धीरे धीरे dissolve हो जाता है. It takes its time. It differs from people to people कितना time लगेगा. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा deep वाला connection रहा तो time लगेगा, but dissolve होता ही है. So you have to start focusing on yourself. There is no other solution to it. And I want to go back to what Surashri said. She said even friends are not interested to make me feel better. So this is a hard truth, that your friends are not responsible to make you feel better. It's fully, totally your responsibility. और ये बोलने में अभी मैं आसानी से बोल रही हूँ, तुम्हें सुनने को भी लगेगा yeah, easy to say. These are hard lessons that we all learn in life. That your well-being and your happiness is not your friends' responsibility. If they are your good friends, they'll make those calls, check on you, ask you, are you okay? But that's it. तुम्हें तुम्हारी responsibility लेनी है. You have to do things to make yourself happy. Okay? Next one is by Janvi. She's also asked a similar kind of a question: how to stop getting attached to people. Now, I think being obsessed with somebody and attached are two different emotions. Although जब तुम बहुत heavily attachment feel करते हो, वो kind of unhealthy हो जाता है. But it's we are all human beings, man. We feel emotions and it's very natural to feel attached to people. So there is no way to stop that, right? But I feel what has helped me, I've been this extremely sensitive, extremely emotional person all my life, where people have consistently told me, especially in my teens, early 20s, you're too sensitive, you're too emotional. Here's what I understood. तुम किसी से attachment कम नहीं कर सकते हो. तुम अपने emotions को समझ सकते हो. You can understand yourself, know where your emotions are coming from, why are you acting and behaving a certain way, and then that helps you manage your emotions well. And that also in turn helps you not put too much pressure on your connections and be too attached, because then you're able to take care of yourself. So ये कोई one line answer नहीं है. This is a lifelong process of getting to know yourself. You have to make yourself a priority. जितना तुम अपने आप को जानोगे, पहचानोगे, समझोगे, तुम क्या करते हो, क्यों करते हो, मैं कितनी बार बोलती हूँ. But yeah, I think that is the SAR. That is the baseline of most of our problems. The moment you start focusing all the attention towards you or within you, all these things apne aap become less of a problem. Idealistic Ayyar asks, any tips for overcoming bad hair fall phase in teens or 20s due to hormones or lifestyle? See, I'm not an expert, so if you have some severe or serious hormonal issues that you're experiencing, definitely see a doctor. But here's what I've learned about hormonal imbalances और ये सारी चीज़ें जो हमें होती है. जो हमारे माँ बाप कहते थे ना कि बेटा जल्दी उठो सुबह, they were and they are right. जितना भी तुम्हें सुनने में बुरा लगे, I have realized this even Ayurveda preaches this कि most of the things that we experience nowadays, people in this generation, are lifestyle diseases, meaning जो चीजें हमें हमारी जिस तरह की हम lifestyle जी रहे हैं उनसे होती है. Most of the problems that we have. So your sleeping, waking up timings, how you sleep, what kind of food are you eating, how much stress are you taking, all these things are contributing to lots of issues that happen within you. So basic चीजें follow करना बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ में. लाइक सुबह जल्दी उठना, रात को टाइम पे सोना, एक अच्छी 7 to 8 hours की undisturbed sleep, good food, good nutrition, lots of vegetables, fruits, trying to follow a routine. That's why following a routine is so important, and that's why I got back to following a routine, because I realized ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें ना छोटी नहीं है, these add up and these take a toll on our health. जब तुम ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें follow करते हो ना, your body functions a lot better and बहुत सारी problems अपने आप में solve हो जाती है. That's why Ayurveda also suggests that your body should stick to the nature clock. I mean, it works better if you do that. That's been my experience. Next one is from Ashmeet Kaur Ahuja. How to deal with toxic parents. Ashmeet, I want to ask you one thing. What makes you call your parents toxic? I feel you should sit with yourself and try to reason this out and answer this for yourself. Is this just because you've randomly read this word on social media? क्योंकि social media पे toxic बहुत loosely इस्तेमाल होता है. Is this because you've heard some people talking about their parents like that, or is this your own perception? Sit with yourself and decide for yourself, am I being reasonable in calling them toxic? What have they done? एक चीज ये है. Second चीज ये है कि yes, I agree, a lot of parents say things or do things which really affect their kids negatively. Sometimes they do it knowingly, sometimes they do it, most times they do it unknowingly. So there's no denying. And sometimes जो चीजें करते हैं या कहते हैं तुम्हें, they can take some serious toll on your mental health. But this is what I've learned, from experiences with my own parents in my own life, कि हो सकता है कुछ चीजें हुई है तुम्हारे बचपन में, where they've said things or behaved in a certain way which hasn't worked out for you. But I feel they were doing the best that they could with the knowledge they had at that time. क्योंकि वो भी एक certain upbringing से आए हैं, एक certain conditioning से आए हैं. वो भी जो चीजें कह रहे थे, कर रहे थे, उन्हें उनके पेरेंट्स ने सिखाई थी. So that is all the information that they had back in the day. And just because they're your parent doesn't mean that they can't make mistakes. मतलब ऐसा कोई ये नहीं होता है कि पेरेंट्स ने बिल्कुल भगवान का रूप होना चाहिए. They're human beings at the end of the day. They can make their own mistakes. So understanding that they're human, they did make some mistakes, but at the same time they were doing the best they could for you. ये perception has kind of helped me forgive them for whatever parts I thought affected me. और हाँ, कुछ पेरेंट्स होते हैं जो इतनी प्रॉब्लमेटिक मैनर में बिहेव करते हैं, they don't even think it's a problem. That is the biggest problem. So if you are in that kind of a situation, then you as an adult you have to learn to draw boundaries. Yeah, you're my birth giver and you will have a special place, or I'll have that respect for you, or I'll be there for you, I'll care for you, but you can't cross this line. So I think you have to draw that boundary for yourself. It's an act of self-preservation. And the last question from another anonymous sender. Being single and having high sex urge and not wanting to hook up, your views on it. इतना सही सवाल पूछा ना तुमने बिल्कुल सही इंसान से. I've been single for the longest time and I totally get it. If you don't want to get into hookups, or you don't want to get intimate with random people one after the other, it's totally cool. But then there are other ways in which you can access pleasure, self pleasure / masturbation. अब तुम कौन सा तरीका prefer करते हो, of course that's up to you. But there are lots of ways. Yeah, there's porn. There are ethical porn websites that you can go look up for on Google. There are sex toys if you're into something like that. If you've never tried it before, if you want to, there's lots of information about all these things on Instagram. आजकल की बेस्ट चीज यही है कि there are so many sex educators / influencers who are openly talking about these things, discussing these things, which I think is the need of the hour. So if you girls don't follow Lisa Mangaldas, by the way, you must go and follow her. So she also talks about these things a lot. She's done some sex toy reviews and all. So yeah, go check that out. If not that, if sexting works for you, whatever works for you. But yeah, there is always a way to access और प्लेजर योरसेल्फ. तो अगेन जैसे मैं थोड़ी देर पहले बोल रही थी कि हमारे सोसाइटी में लाइक प्लेजर को या सेक्स को इतना टैबू टॉपिक बना दिया, एंड स्पेशली विमेन्स प्लेजर. सो इसके बारे में कोई ओपनली बातें नहीं करता है. एंड a lot of people are single and then they go through this very frustrating phase in their single life where their sexual needs are not being met, and there are various ways to do that. So it's very important to learn all these things and be aware and educate yourself, so you don't stress yourself out for these things, because being single is a very normal part of your life. Everybody at some point of time in their life is going to be single, and then how do you go about it? Please follow Lisa Mangaldas. But yeah, self pleasure it is. So that was it for this girl talk. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Comment करके मुझे बता दो. इस वीडियो को अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कर दो who would like to watch this kind of content. And इस चैनल पे नए हो, don't go without subscribe. Wow, I just rapped. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.